Hey everyone, welcome to Learnovation, where learning meets innovation. Today we're unlocking the coolest Gen Z slang words to help you level up your everyday conversations. Let's dive in and make your chats lit. What are Gen Z words? Gen Z words are slang terms used by people born between the late 1990s and early 2010s. These words reflect trends from social media, memes, and digital culture, making them fun and relatable for daily communication. 10 Gen Z slang words and meanings. 1. Slay, meaning doing something really well or looking amazing. Example, you slayed that presentation today. 2. Bet, meaning a casual way to say yes or okay. Want to meet at 5? Bet. 3. No cap, meaning I'm not lying or this is true. That's the best pizza in town, no cap. 4. Meaning refers to a stylish or cool outfit. Example, your jacket has serious drip. 5. It's giving meaning describing the vibe or impression of something. Example, that decor is giving modern elegance. Meaning, showing off something impressive. Example, posting your vacation pics, that's a flex. 7. Fancy or high-end, often extra. Example, her bougie handbag was stunning. 8. Meaning, gossip or news. Example, tell me all the tea about your trip. 9. Vibe check, meaning seeing if someone or something feels right. This cafe passed the vibe check. It's so cozy. 10. Mood, meaning a relatable feeling or moment. That meme is a total mood. Thanks for watching Learnovation. If you enjoyed learning these trendy Gen Z words, smash that like button, share the video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more cool content. Drop your favorite slang word in the comments below. Until next time, stay lit and keep learning.